Before we get started, please safely disconnect the power from the system. First, loosen and remove the computer case cover from the desktop. Now, locate the SATA port on the motherboard. If you're using a 2.5-inch drive bay, detach the mounting bracket. Attach the SSD by aligning the mounting screw holes on the bracket with the holes on the SSD, and mount the SSD in the drive bay. If you're using a 3.5-inch drive bay, detach the mounting bracket. Attach the SSD by aligning the mounting screw holes on the bracket with the holes on the SSD. Locate an available 3.5-inch drive bay inside the desktop and install the SSD. Attach one end of the SATA cable to the SSD and the other end to the SATA connector on the motherboard. Next, use the SATA power cable that is connected to the power supply and attach it to the SSD. Put the computer case panel back onto the desktop. Plug in the power cord and boot up your system. If you need any help cloning your drive, please check our Acronis cloning video here. Thanks for watching.